Hi everyone, and welcome to Level 1, Lesson 1 of Awesome English. In this series, I will teach you how to make your first sentences. I will teach you how easy it is to make a simple sentence much better. So to get started, let's learn some vocabulary. Are you ready? I am. Now here we go. Number 1. It is a book. That's your first sentence. It is a book. It's good, but you can do better. It is a book because it's one. One is one. One. It is a. It all means one. Book. What kind of book? What do you see? What kind of book is this? Big. It's a big book, right? It is a big book. It is a big book. That is a better sentence. Why? Think about it. If I close my eyes and I say, it is a book, can you imagine the book? No. It's not enough information. What kind of book? What is it? But it is a big book. Okay, I can see a big book. But let's make it even better. What else do you see? It's old. Okay, so old, big. There we go. Let's make a sentence. It is a big old book. 6 words. It is a big old book. Yeah, it is a big old book. I can see that in my mind. I can imagine it. And that is an awesome sentence. Do you see how we did that? Those are words we learned in phonics. Big, old, book. But we made them a sentence. Let's try number 2. A pencil. Right? It's one. A pencil. But what kind of pencil? Okay. I think a pencil, it's like a yellow pencil. Is it yellow? No. It's exactly. It's a gray pencil, right? So it is a gray pencil. It is a gray pencil. Okay, I can see that. But let's make it better. What is an awesome sentence for this? How about size? Is it a big pencil? No, that doesn't make sense. It's a long pencil. There you go. It is a long pencil. So let's put it together. What is that? It is a long gray pencil. It is a long gray pencil. That is an awesome sentence. Is it difficult? Is it hard? No, we know that. My hair fell down. Let's put it back on. Very smooth. I'm growing my hair long so I can cut it off and give it to people with cancer so they can make new hair. So I'll have long hair for a while and then it will be short again. But let's get back to this. It is a long gray pencil. Awesome. Let's do number 3. What is this? Do you know what that is? You see pencil, right? And you see a case. That's what it is. A pencil case. A pencil case. So it is a pencil case. But we need more. What is that? Let's think size. What size is this pencil case? It's big, right? It is a big pencil case. What's special about this pencil case? What do you see? What color is it? We should think of color. What is that? Pink. Pink. Okay. It is exactly. It is a big pink pencil case. That is an awesome sentence. It is a big pink pencil case. It is a big black pencil case. It's kind of black, but outside it's pink, right? It is a big pink pencil case. I can see that when I close my eyes. If you want to make awesome sentences, you have to add extra words. People can't see a pencil. They can't see a car. What car? Which car? Oh, a white car, a green pencil. And that is how you make an awesome sentence. Let's look at the next word. What is that? Do you know what this is? I see books, right? I see books and it's on something. A case. It is a bookcase. A bookcase. Yeah. This is a bookcase. But what kind of bookcase? It's white. It's white. It is a white bookcase. But can you think of another word to tell me what kind of bookcase? Big. It's big. There's 1 and 2 and 3. It's a big bookcase. Okay. So it is a big bookcase. It's a big bookcase. It's a white bookcase. It's a big white bookcase. I can see that. It's a big white bookcase. Awesome. It's easy, right? It won't always be color and size, but color and size are easy ways to make a great sentence. Let's try another one. What is this? I see a phone. Oh, he's going to write something. What is this? It is a note. A note. Yeah. It is a note, right? What kind of note? It is a small. It's small, right? Yeah. It is a small note. But how can you make this even better? It is a small note. It is a small brown. Yeah, it is a small brown note. It's a small brown note. Now that I can imagine. It's a small brown note. When we get higher in level, we will add more words. But for now, that is an awesome sentence. It is a small brown note. Let's go to the next one. What is this? You know it. It's a notebook. It is a notebook. Well, the last one was note. Why is this notebook different? Well, the last note was it's big, right? It is a big notebook. Very good. That's how you know it's different. And plus a note is one, but a notebook has many. It is a notebook, but what kind of notebook? You know it. It is a big white notebook. Yeah, it is a big white notebook. It is a big English notebook, just like this one. It is a big writing notebook. But those are high level. Big white, great sentence. It is a big white notebook. I can see it. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Let's try the next one. What is this? This, it's one. What is this? Wow, that's pretty cool. What is that? It is a table. Perfect. A table. It is a table, but what kind of table? It is a table. It is a big table, right? Look at it. It's getting bigger. It is a big table. Okay, I can see lots of big tables, but what kind of big table? It is a big table. It is a big brown table. Sure, but what is that? We learned it in phonics. Wood. Wood. Yeah, it's wood, right? This is wood. It is a big wood table. But we said another word. Can you make this an amazing sentence? It is a big brown wood table. Yeah, it is a big brown wood table. Well, wooden, but that's fine. It is a big brown wood table. That's awesome. That is a really, really awesome sentence. You're getting this. Let's try one more. What is this? Looks pretty cool. It is, because one, it is a desk. It is a desk, right? From phonics, desk. It is a desk, but what kind of desk is it? It is a, well, how about color? It is a white desk. Can you think of other words? What kind of desk? It is it big? Maybe. Not really. So big, What is it? It is a new white desk. New. It is a new white desk. It is a clean white desk. It is see, small? That's strange. Small desk. Big desk. New desk? Okay. New white desk. Okay, I can see that. But a big desk? It's a big desk? That's strange, right? But a new desk? Okay, cool. It is a new white desk. It is a clean white desk. It is a, what is that on the desk? Bonus. What is that? Computer. It is a computer desk. Let's put it all together. It is a new white computer desk. Now that is an awesome sentence. I am excited to get back into making videos and having new lessons with you. And this was level 1, lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed making these new sentences, and we will make even better sentences with new grammar rules. But without talking about grammar. We will learn new patterns and all kinds of fun stuff in this new series. I will see you next time. Goodbye.